Fig. Introduction. Delicious sweet fig fruit is one of the popular fruits enjoyed since ancient times. Fig is rich in natural health benefiting phytonutrients, antioxidants and vitamins. Completely developed and ripe fig features bell or pear shape with succulent juicy flesh inside. Dried figs indeed are highly concentrated source of minerals and vitamins. Fig tree is native to temperate regions of Asia Minor or Turkey and today grown as an important fruit of commerce in the eastern Mediterranean climates, USA and Spain. It also cultivated as a fruit tree in the home gardens in many other regions as well. Figs range dramatically in color and subtly in texture depending upon the variety, of which there are more than 150. Some of the most popular varieties are Black Mission, blackish purple skin and pink colored flesh, Cadoda, green skin and purplish flesh, Calimina, greenish yellow skin and umber flesh, Brown Turkey, purple skin and red flesh, Adriatic, the variety most often used to make fig bars, which has a light green skin and pink tan flesh. Nutritional facts. Fig fruit is low in calories. 100 grams fresh fruits carry only 74 calories. However, they contain health benefiting soluble dietary fiber, minerals, vitamins and pigment antioxidants that contribute immensely towards optimum health and wellness. Figs contains adequate levels of some of the antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin A, E and K, which protect us from cancers, diabetes, degenerative diseases and infections. Fresh as well as dried figs contain good levels of B complex group of vitamins such as niacin, pyridoxine, folate and pantothenic acid. These vitamins function as cofactors for metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Dried figs are an excellent sources of minerals like calcium, copper, potassium, manganese, iron, selenium and zinc. 100 grams of dried figs contain 680 mg of potassium, 162 mg of calcium and 2.03 mg of iron. Potassium is an important component of cell and body fluids that helps controlling heart rate and blood pressure. Copper required in the production of red blood cells. Iron is essential for red blood cell formation as well for cellular oxidation. Usages and benefits. Prevention of constipation and weight loss. There are 5 grams of fiber in every 3 fig serving. That high concentration of fiber helps promote healthy, regular bowel function and prevents constipation. The fiber in figs are also helps to reduce weight and is often recommended for obese people. Lower cholesterol. Figs contain pectin, which is a soluble fiber. When fiber moves through the digestive system, it basically mops up excess clumps of cholesterol and carries them to the excretory system to be eliminated from the body. Prevention of coronary heart disease. Dried figs contain phenol, omega-3 and omega-6. These fatty acids reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Prevention of colon cancer. The presence of fiber helps to stimulate the elimination of radicals and other cancer-causing substances, particularly in the colon, since fiber increases the healthy movement of the bowels. Bronchitis. The natural chemicals in fig leaves make it an ideal component for a tea base. Fig leaf tea has been popularly prescribed for various respiratory conditions like bronchitis, and it is also used as a way to prevent and lessen the symptoms of asthmatic patients. Sexual dysfunction. For centuries, fig have been recommended as a way to correct sexual dysfunction like sterility, endurance, or erectile dysfunction. The huge amount of valuable vitamins and minerals might result in the sudden boost in energy and stamina that people mistake for a sexual surge. Soak 2 to 3 figs in milk overnight and eat them in the morning to enhance your sexual abilities. Strengthens bones. Figs are rich in calcium, which is one of the most important components in strengthening bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. It is also rich in phosphorus, which encourages bone formation and spurs regrowth if there is any damage or degradation to bones. Cosmetic benefits. A fig is not just a delicious and healthy fruit, but is a great natural ingredient for your skin. It helps you to stay young and beautiful inside and out. Some of the benefits of figs for the skin are: figs are rich in important nutrients like vitamin B, C, phosphorus, potassium, and minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for boosting and rejuvenating the skin's health. The high omega-3 fatty acids in figs keep the skin well moisturized and conditioned from within. Application of fig paste on the face helps to transport important nutrients into the dermal layers of the skin to replenish it from within. Fig contains a high amount of vitamin C, which helps to lighten and even out the skin tone. Not just the flesh, the peels of figs too contain active enzymes which act as an exfoliator to clear the dead cells debris from the skin. Precautions. It is possible to have too much of a good thing, and eating too many figs can cause diarrhea. Furthermore, dried figs are high in sugar and can potentially cause tooth decay. Also, there are those who are allergic to figs or certain chemical components within them, and the resulting allergic reactions can be mild to severe. Fig leaves and unripe fruits produce white latex, which, when come in contact with body parts, can penetrate skin, causing burning discomfort.